Introduce highlight features and quick overview of APRVTIO electronic refrigerant scale charging HVAC tools. 410a Refrigerant HVAC scale Freon scale 134 a Refrigerant A/C 220 pounds with case. Recovery machine HVAC Freon recovery tank. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. High accuracy and resolution. 3 display modes, kilograms, pounds, and ounces. One-piece casting of the scale platform, robust and durable. Support all refrigerants and is good for all sized popular refrigerant tanks. Extra large LCD display with background lamp, weighs up to 220 pounds, slip-resistant 9x9-inch weighing platform. Powered by 1x6 LR60 9-volt battery, works up to 30 hours, auto-off in 10 minutes of non-use. APRVTIO Digital Refrigerant Charging Weight Scale. Digital charging scale capacity to 220 pounds 100 kilograms. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.